Hello everyone, welcome to another update to my RPG clicking game. And so recently I have added a tick farming system to the game. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how that is. Up at the top here we have a command prompt, the debug system. And so you see here, failed to chop the tree. We get 10 attempts, and then if it doesn't, then it failed. But if it does succeed, then there we go. We gain 5 experience. We're going to up the experience rates as we farm. 10 experience. One problem though, and you've probably already noticed it, if you look, the character is no longer playing a full animation. The tick system uses a wait command. So it waits and it's under a loop. So it's continuing the loop, and the animation only plays when the loop finishes, as you'll see here. Next frame. Go one more time. Next frame. Okay. So that's one big problem. And so I did some research on how we can fix that. It's called concurrency or threading. And so I spent the last few days trying to figure out a system for threading in my game. And I use a lot of ChatGPT for it, which I hate doing, but I'll do it at first just so I can get an understanding. And if I don't understand it, then I'm going to do some more research on it. And so basically what threading is say you have 8 cores on your processor. One of the cores, right, is going to be running your program. And depending on how fast your program is or how intensive it is, it's going to either go really fast or really slow. That's one of the reasons why you cap the the frame rate. Otherwise, you're going to have insane frame rates if it's just a simple program like this. And so what threading does is it allows multiple cores to run multiple parts of your program simultaneously. And I'm still very basic into understanding. I think it's technically called concurrency, but the library is called thread. And so I bought this book here, and I'm going to be reading this for the next few days to try and figure out how to multi-thread this program. I want the tick system to be on one thread. I want the animations to be on another. And as of right now, I have no idea how I'm gonna do that. Actually, let's take a second. Let's look. We leveled up somewhere up here, and so now, back to the game. Yeah, we broke it. So when we leveled up here, it's technically 83 experience, but we're taken up by 5. Level 2. And so the formula I used for levels and the formula I used for the success chance of the tree, it's about 3.33 repeating percentage chance per level. And it takes into consideration the tool strength that you have, as well as the challenge level of the tree. It also takes your level into account, which the formula ends up to be about 3.33% repeating per level, just for this entry level tree. And so yeah, it's a quick little update on how everything's going with the tree clicker. An update on what I'll be working on next, learning threading through this book. I plan to only read up to chapter 5. That's what the author suggests to get a good grasp on multi-threading. And then later on into the book, it's a bit more harder concepts, which I may not be ready for, but I'm gonna give it a read, just to see. But I think the first 5 chapters of this book is going to give me the best overview of what I need. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you next time.